We've got this retaining wall here for the Marriott that we replaced. Basically what was going on was this wall was bulging and starting to push out pretty significantly. Come to find out after some investigation, there was no drain behind this retaining wall, causing a lot of lateral pressure, hydrostatic pressure, pushing that out, making it quite unsafe. So we worked out this project with Marriott, kept it within their budget as well. So as you can see, we ripped out the old wall, we put the new retaining wall in. We also did new bark, we tied in all the drains. There's some drains going here to some catch basins all the way down. We fixed the irrigation, anything that we disrupted was back. We've actually got guys here right now testing all the irrigation again, now that we're coming into late spring, summer. But now they have a safe and effective and cost-efficient wall that we put in for them. Marriott's extremely happy, they're safe with all their guests coming in and out, so there's no more worries about this thing falling over and hurting somebody. So it was an amazing project. Everybody worked really well together, and we're still continuing on. So anything the Marriott needs, Transblue is the company for them. So this was a great project, and good job, team.